Hello, good morning to everyone. My name is Murugarajendra Hiramat. I am here to present the Engineering Exploration Course Project Drawing Board. Our team in Division 9 includes 4 members. Everything is done under the guidance of Mr. Prashant sir. Problem definition. The design of the drawing board must be cost efficient and board is semi-automated. Board must be portable and the dimensions of the board are 15 x 30 x 25 cm. The board will be able to draw sketches on paper. It takes 2 to 3 months to finish the project. It contains holder which holds the pen as well as paper which will be able to draw simple geometric shapes. Functional tree and functional clustering. There are mainly 4 functions: holding unit, movement, drawing, indication. In holding unit, hold the pen and hold the paper. In movement, along x-axis and y-axis, and pen movement. In drawing, square, circle, pentagon, etc. Indication, on and off process, and completion of the process. In the right side, you can see functional clustering. Subsystems identified. Identified subsystems are sketching unit, holding unit, and interface unit. Generated concepts. There are totally 3 generated concepts. One, XY plotter. Second one, square plotter. Third one, simple plotter. In XY plotter, here we use 2 stepper and 1 servo motor, which movement takes place along x and y direction. In square plotter, here we used 4 stepper and 1 servo motor. The movement takes place along square. The third one, simple plotter. The simple plotter, there are 1 stepper and 1 servo motor. From pug chart, concept 1 is more convenient and more efficient. Virtual implementation. Our 3D model of XY plotter, the whole thing which is made using Autodesk Inventor, and the base of the board is made up of acrylic sheets. Housing of motor and microcontroller is also made up of acrylic sheets. There are totally 2 steppers and 1 servo motor. Circuit diagram of the entire system. You can see we used 2 stepper motors and ULN 2803 driver and 1 LED for indication of the process completion and 1 servo motor, Arduino Mega 2560. Flowchart. Start. If motor is on, stepper motor starts to rotate. If motor is off, stepper motor does not rotate. Bluetooth is on. Movement takes place along x and movement takes place along y axis. LED blinks for the process activation. It will draw sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, sketch 4, sketch 5 and it will stop. Bill of materials required for the entire system. Conveyor belt which is made up of rubber sheets, steel bars, threaded steel bars, microcontroller like Arduino Mega 2560 and stepper motor, housing of microcontroller and housing of motors by acrylic sheet. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. Motor sizing. Number of stepper motors used are 2. Torque produced by each motor is 5.6 kg/cm. Number of servo motor used 1. Torque produced by motor 1.6 kg/cm. Speed is equal to 60 rpm. Battery sizing. Maximum current drawn by stepper motor 400 mA. Maximum current drawn by servo motor 1200 mA. Total current drawn 8400 mA. Running hour is 3 hours. Hence we have to use 5V battery. Functional specification of the entire system. Hold the pen, hold the paper to draw the geometric shapes, process completion and XY direction. In hold the pen, it should hold the pen for 2 hours and it should be held griply. Hold the paper, it should hold the paper properly without changing the orientation. To draw the geometric shapes, for 1 rectangle, 2 square, 3 circle, 4 rhombus, like that. Process completion. After the completion of process, LED will blink X and Y direction. The board should be able to move to all the sides of the paper. Modeling and simulation. There are totally 9 LEDs. The first 4 LED are caused to movement of pen in y direction. The second set of 4 LED are caused to movement of pen in next direction. The last one LED is to indicate the completion of drawing. First it will draw squares, next it will draw rectangle, next circle, etc. Here one set of 4 LED blinks means the stepper has rotated once. If one set of 4 LED rotates clockwise means the pen is moving in positive x or positive y axis. If some rotates in anti-clockwise means the pen is moving in negative x or negative y axis. For square, y and x axis stepper motor rotates twice. For rectangle, y axis and stepper motor rotates twice and x axis stepper motor rotates thrice, which means length is more than breadth. There are totally 9 LED. The first 4 LED are caused to movement of pen in y direction. The second set of 4 LED are caused to movement of pen in x direction. The last one LED is to indicate the completion of drawing. First it will draw square, next rectangle, next circle. Here, one set of 4 LED blinks means the stepper has rotated once. If one set of 4 LED rotates clockwise means the pen is moving in positive x or positive y axis. If same rotates in anti-clockwise means the pen is moving in negative x or negative y axis. First square, y and x axis stepper motor rotates twice. For rectangle, y axis stepper rotates twice and x axis stepper motor rotates thrice, which means length is more than breadth. For square, both x and y stepper rotates simultaneously twice to form circle. Thank you.